Finally, play your favorite Xbox Game Pass PC titles with your PlayStation controller. Today, we're going to break down, step by step, how to get your PlayStation controller working flawlessly on Xbox Game Pass for PC. We'll cover everything from driver installation to in-game adjustments. First things first, you will want to download a few things to get started. You'll need the DS for Windows software, which acts as the translator between your controller and your PC. It can usually be found on a familiar websites you browse. Along with it, you might need to download the drivers specifically for your PlayStation controller, which you can also look for online. Download these files and make sure you download the most up-to-date version. Next, extract the downloaded file. Now, it's time to connect your controller. Option 1, and the most reliable, is to connect your PlayStation controller to your PC using a USB cable. This direct connection ensures minimal input lag and a more stable connection. You can also connect wirelessly via Bluetooth, but we recommend the cable, especially if you're new to this. Once connected, launch DS for Windows. It should automatically detect your PlayStation controller. If the controller is recognized, you can move on to the configuring stage. If not, check your cable, drivers, and restart the computer. With the controller detected, you'll likely see a profile associated with it. To change anything, go to the Settings tab to change things like the controller's light bar or how the controller vibrates. The final step is adjusting the in-game settings. Launch your chosen game from Xbox Game Pass. Navigate to the controller settings. Within the game's options menu, you might need to remap some inputs. This might include swapping button layouts or adjusting the sensitivity of your analog sticks to your preference. That's it. With these steps, your PlayStation controller should be working perfectly on Xbox Game Pass for PC. Now, enjoy the world of gaming with your preferred controller setup.